Hey there, welcome to SpotlightFX. We're here to help you create all those amazing effects and transitions you've been seeing online or on YouTube with just a few clicks, all inside Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. Now, let's take a quick tour. Every time you open SpotlightFX, you get new items, tools, and features as soon as we create them. This means you're always working with the latest content without any manual updates. Now, this is your home screen, your personal space where you'll find recently imported items and the newest tools we've just released. Moving on to the sidebar, you'll see everything you need for video creation. These are your building blocks, transitions, texts, elements, overlays, and more. Each video uses some or all of these, and we'll come back to them in a moment. Next, let's talk about collections. These are curated sets of items. Think of them as libraries with specific style. For example, if you're making a music video, we have collections for that, not just one, but many. And here's the cool part. If you can't find what you need, just let us know. We can create a new collection and send it directly to your Spotlight. Now, if we scroll down to the bottom, you'll find your account section. Everything you do is synchronized, which means you can log in on any computer and your entire workspace will be there, ready to go. All right, now that we've covered the basics, let's create our first video. Say, an intro for your next project. Every intro starts with a headline, so let's find the perfect match. This one looks exactly right. Let's click on it and see what's inside. As you can see, all items are sorted into logical groups for specific use cases. Notice how each collection connects to similar themes? This makes it much easier to find what fits your current project. Now, when you find something you like, you can pin it to the top of the collection for quick access. If you want to see all your liked items, just go to My Likes over here. And remember, all likes are synchronized on your account, so you'll find the same likes on any device you use. Let's go ahead and import our first item. This one just received an update. Don't worry, it re-downloads automatically to ensure you're always working with the latest version. And just like that, it's in your scene. By the way, don't worry about licensing. We've taken care of that for you. Now, what if you can't find exactly what you're looking for? No problem. Just use the request button here and tell us what you need. We can create the item and send it directly to your Spotlight. Moving on, let's import the rest of the items. See how these are stacking up like building blocks? We're quickly assembling our final scene, but we're still missing the initial transition. So let's head over to Transitions and find what fits best here. How about this arrow animation? That's looking great. Now that we have all our elements, let's customize our building blocks. Take a look at our SpotlightFX panel. All the settings are right in front of you. You don't have to dig into the composition. Simply change what you like with a few clicks. And if you prefer to move our effects panel, just go here and press Undock Panel. Then, you can adjust it to fit your own layout. All right, let's put the finishing touches on our scene. You can easily adjust any item to fit your unique style. And just like that, we've created our entire scene from scratch. Now, let me show you our guided sections. These allow you to recreate the latest trends, such as true crime scenes, cinematic looks, music video effects, and more. The best part? You're not just following videos. You have the exact assets at your fingertips, allowing you to adjust them to fit perfectly into your project. Apps and widgets. Finally, let's take a look at our selection of apps. Each one is designed to speed up your editing workflow. With a simple click, you can install the ones you need, and they're instantly ready to use. This area here, this is your canvas. Your installed apps show up here, and you can freely move them where you need them. If you find an app that doesn't fit your current project, you can easily send it to the dock down here. This keeps your canvas clean and focused. You can also create multiple canvas workspaces and switch between layouts, each with its own set of apps and arrangements. This keeps your workflow as versatile as your projects. SpotlightFX offers hundreds of features designed to save you time and effort in every video project. Why not try it out for yourself? You can download it for free and see what you can create.